Namaste, welcome to Monday Bytes from Chitra. Subscribe the channel to make it 1000 and happy festival week for all of you. Happy Dasara to all of you, and make sure you are safe in driving. Fasten your seatbelt for the topic of today. In rainy season, what all damages can happen to your car and what precautions you should take for the benefit of the viewers of the channel and for my all customers. The second point we're talking about brake failures. There are always chances of brake failures when you are driving from water. Water reduces the friction between the brakes and the brake pads and the discs, and it also, when you're braking, there's always chances that the braking doesn't happen instantly, immediately. So there are always chances of accident happening after you have crossed the water in the rainy season. So please maintain the brake liners good, and after you cross the water, please keep tapping the brake to heaten up the brakes, and the brakes become dry and the effectiveness of braking system happen. So this is a very important thing for your safety, for everyone's safety in the rainy season when you are driving, when you are crossing the waterlogging roads. So make sure this precaution is taken for a happy driving and safe driving. Whenever you plan to buy a new or a pre-owned car, just think of Chitra Cars. Happy driving, safe driving. Thank you.